6,000 workers just vanished. Here's why it matters. On May 9, Oracle announced they were eliminating 6,000 jobs overnight. No warning. No transition period. Just termination emails at dawn. Most people saw it as another tech layoff headline. But inside those emails was a confession: Oracle wasn't cutting jobs because business was bad. They were cutting jobs because AI could do the work better and cheaper. This wasn't about survival. It was about replacement. And what Oracle did yesterday, every major company is planning for tomorrow. The 6,000 wasn't random. Oracle specifically targeted customer support, business analysis, and junior engineering roles. These weren't highly specialized positions. They were roles where outputs are measurable and repeatable. According to McKinsey's 2024 AI automation report, 70% of knowledge workers will see at least 30% of their tasks automated within 2 years. Oracle's move wasn't compassionate or ethical, but it was predictable. They identified which departments generated predictable, documentable work. Then they asked a simple question: can AI do this cheaper? The answer was yes. So they acted. And other CEOs were watching. AI isn't coming for your job randomly. It's following a ruthless economic logic. First target: customer-facing support roles. AI chatbots now handle 65% of customer service inquiries without human handoff, according to Gartner. Second target: data analysis and reporting. Spreadsheets, databases, pattern recognition. These are AI's native language. A single AI agent can now do what took 3 junior analysts to accomplish. Third target: content creation and writing. Everything from product descriptions to internal documentation. Tools like Claude and GPT-4 don't just help writers anymore. They replace them entirely. Oracle fired 6,000 people across exactly these categories. This wasn't a coincidence. This was a template. Oracle's mass firing was loud. But most companies are doing the exact opposite. They're replacing workers quietly while hiring. Right now, companies are deploying Claude, ChatGPT, and specialized AI agents into existing workflows. When someone retires or quits, they don't hire a replacement. They hire an AI subscription instead. One Fortune 500 finance company replaced 12 staff accountants with 3 senior accountants plus accounting automation software. No headlines. No moral reckoning. Just efficiency. The MIT Sloan Review found that companies using AI for workflow automation are 72% more likely to downsize through attrition rather than layoffs. It's quieter. It's legal. It's happening everywhere right now. Your job isn't safe just because you have one right now. Watch for these signals. First, your manager suddenly asks for detailed documentation of everything you do. Second, your company quietly starts deploying AI tools into your department without clear training. Third, you notice open positions in your team aren't being filled. Fourth, leadership starts talking about efficiency gains and cost per output instead of growth. Fifth, your work is increasingly routine, documented, and measurable. These aren't speculative. 84% of people whose jobs were eliminated by AI reported seeing at least 3 of these signals in the 6 months before. The warning signs exist. Most people ignore them until it's too late. What Oracle did openly, thousands of companies will do quietly over the next 12 months. The AI tools are already deployed. They work. They're getting cheaper. The only question left is how fast companies will use them. The Brookings Institution projects that AI automation could affect up to 36 million American jobs by 2027. Not eliminate. Affect. Some will vanish. Some will transform. But few will remain unchanged. The companies moving first have an advantage. The workers moving first have a different kind of advantage. Your choice now isn't whether AI will change your work. It's whether you'll change first or react after. The pattern is clear. Oracle showed the blueprint. Everyone's watching. Everyone's building. Oracle's 6,000 wasn't the story. It was the announcement. The real story is what happens in the 11 months after. The tools are deployed. The precedent is set. The economics are clear. What comes next depends entirely on what you do with this warning. The future isn't mysterious. It's transparent. Are you moving toward it or away from it? If you want more videos like this, subscribe and follow Oops, It's AI. See you in the next one.